We love this mini glider foam toy airplane. My son loves to play with it outside or inside. It's very light, like a real paper airplane, but it's much more durable. Outside, we play catch with it or we see how far we can throw it. And it's extra fun for indoor play because it's so durable. You'll see I'm going to throw it hard up against our front door and it just bounces right off. It doesn't hurt the airplane at all, it doesn't hurt the door at all. So it really is perfect for indoor fun, especially if you need something fun to do on a rainy day.